Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Congratulations on completing the first 4 levels of the Qaida, and welcome to level 5, where you will begin to read actual words, full words from the Quran. So, this little green dash or line that you see on top of each letter is called a Fathah. And what happens is when you see this Fathah on top of a letter, you say the sound of that letter like this: ba. So instead of saying the name of the letter, like instead of saying Jim, you will say Ja, and so on and so forth. Now, from here onwards, it is a good idea that you get used to using the pause function on the video. So, for example, if you are on a computer, then probably the space bar will be for pause. So if you press the space bar and try that now, then the video should pause. Also, you might want to get familiar with the rewind function. If you are on a computer again, then you should be able to press the left cursor, the left button, and that should take the video back 5 seconds. And if you are watching on a phone, then if you tap the left hand side of the video twice, then it should take you back 10 seconds. That will be very useful because if you come to a sound or a word which you are not entirely confident in and you want some extra practice in, you can pause and practice, or you can rewind and listen again and practice. So what I will do is I will read each letter in this first box. I will read it once and allow some time for you to repeat after me. Focus on and pay attention to the accent with which I am reading. So, for example, am I saying a, ba, ta, or am I saying a, ba, ta, or am I saying e, be, te? Okay, so try to copy me exactly as I say it. Okay, let's go. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, dha, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, ضا, طا, ظا, ع, غ, ف, ق, ك, ل, م, ن, ه, و, ي. Well done. So feel free to go back and try that again. Otherwise, we will move on to the next examples, and these are actual words. Now, I'm going to read these twice over. The first time, I'm going to read each syllable or each letter separately, and again, you can read that after me. And the second time, I'm going to say the whole word together. And after that, feel free to pause and try it yourself or practice it more yourself. Okay, let's go from number 30. A, ma, ra, amara, ba, la, gha, balagha, ja, ma, ع, جمع, ح, س, د, حسد. Let's go on to the second line. را, ف, ع, رفع, ذ, ك, را, ذكر, ز, ع, ما زعم سرق سرق. Hopefully that gave you a good idea about how the letters and the words should sound. Now for the rest of the page, it is your challenge to try to work out how each letter and each word will be read. I wish you all the best in that.